How to find single column view settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find single column view settings on Opera Mini. First thing, go to Opera Mini and let's go back, and now click this one, this Opera icon here, and then click this one, settings icon, and then go down until you find here this one, page layout, and click on it. And as you see here, we find this one, single column view, and that's how to find single column view settings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.